Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a real special one. I'm going to show you how to make Lithuanian style chicken soup. My late father showed me this recipe years ago, and we're just going to carry on the tradition. Really easy to do. First thing you need is chicken stock. Now you can make your own like I do, and if you go back to last season, I'll have a recipe there and shows you how to make a great chicken stock. In that video, I say don't throw away the meat at the end of cooking because we're going to use that for a different recipe. Well, this is that recipe. So take all your chicken drumsticks out, just like I'm doing there, and I'm just going to strip all that meat off the bone, and we will use that a little bit later. We're going to continue making our chicken stock. Takes a little bit of time, but I'll tell you what, the difference is absolutely worth it. If you want to use store-bought, go for it. I'm going to add in around about a litre and a half worth of chicken stock into a saucepan, and here I've got 2 carrots which I've really finely sliced, really fine. Okay, they're going to go in. We're going to cook those for about 35 to 40 minutes or so until they're just nice and tender. Alright, so I'm just going to simmer that away just like that. And what's chicken soup without having some noodles? Those are little star noodles, about 2 tablespoons worth. You can get those from your good delicatessen. Right? Sprinkle those in, give them a bit of a stir so they won't clump. Okay, and we're just going to slowly bring this up to a nice edible heat. Right, so just nice low heat right now, probably about 20% worth, and I'm going to add in all that chicken meat straight into our soup, just like that. All we have to do now is just get the heat back into that chicken, let those noodles cook off, and we will be ready to serve. Okay, and if you haven't made your own chicken soup before, you don't know what you're missing. And this really simple ethnic style soup is just the best. Serve that up in a bowl. This is absolutely fantastic if you have a cold, if you have the flu, or even if you have the dreaded C word. Serve that up in a bowl, and there you go. You've got the Lithuanian style chicken soup. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make something really good for the soul, really good for your health, just like this, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my dad's Lithuanian style chicken soup, and I will catch you next time. Bye.